Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a locked AliExpress account. So, you might be wondering why your AliExpress account got locked. Usually, this happens when you enter the wrong password too many times. To protect your personal information, AliExpress automatically locks your account for security reasons. The good news is, this lock is only temporary. It usually lasts about 24 hours, and after that, you'll be able to log back in normally. In some cases, AliExpress will also send you an email with recovery instructions. So, make sure to check your inbox and your spam folder for any messages from AliExpress. If you see an unlock link or password reset option, just follow the steps. If you still can't log in, try resetting your password. Go to the AliExpress login page, click on Forgot Password, enter your email or phone number, and follow the verification steps to set a new one. Once that's done, you should be able to access your account again. To avoid this in the future, make sure to use the correct password or store it safely in a password manager. And if your account remains locked, even after 24 hours, contact AliExpress support through the help center. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out our next videos. Thanks for watching.